Pomegranate seed oil. It sounds exotic, luxurious, and full of promise. And it is. This remarkable oil, derived from the heart of the vibrant pomegranate fruit, has captivated civilizations for centuries with its potent healing and beautifying properties. Throughout history, the pomegranate has been revered as a symbol of health, fertility, and abundance. Ancient cultures recognized its value, incorporating it into traditional medicine and beauty rituals. Today, scientific research confirms what our ancestors instinctively knew. Pomegranate seed oil is a treasure trove of nutrients and antioxidants that can enhance our well-being from the inside out. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of pomegranate seed oil. We'll uncover its origins, production process, and unique composition. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil the remarkable health benefits of this liquid gold, from its ability to combat oxidative stress and inflammation to its potential for promoting heart health and cellular regeneration. Get ready to discover the secrets of pomegranate seed oil, a gift from nature that can transform your health and beauty regimen. Imagine a pomegranate, its ruby red seeds nestled within a maze of juicy membranes. Each seed is a tiny gem, a treasure trove of nature's bounty. Each tiny seed holds a drop of precious oil, brimming with concentrated nutrients and antioxidants. This oil is not just any oil, it is a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Extracting this liquid gold is a delicate process, ensuring that the oil retains its maximum potency and purity. The extraction process is an art form, requiring precision and care. Cold pressing is the preferred method for obtaining the highest quality pomegranate seed oil. This method is revered for its ability to preserve the oil's natural properties. This technique involves gently pressing the seeds without the use of heat or chemicals, preserving the oil's delicate nutrients and flavor. The absence of heat ensures that the oil's beneficial compounds remain intact. The result is a rich, amber-hued oil with a subtle, nutty aroma. This oil is not only beautiful to look at, but also a delight to the senses. What sets pomegranate seed oil apart from other oils is its unique chemical composition. It is a rare gem in the world of natural oils. It is an abundant source of punicic acid, a rare omega-5 fatty acid found almost exclusively in pomegranates. This unique fatty acid is what gives the oil its extraordinary properties. Punicic acid is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, contributing to the oil's remarkable health benefits. It helps to soothe and protect the skin, making it a valuable addition to any skincare routine. In addition to punicic acid, pomegranate seed oil boasts a rich profile of antioxidants, including ellagic acid, tannins, and anthocyanins. These compounds work together to enhance the oil's effectiveness. These powerful compounds work synergistically to combat free radical damage, protect cells from oxidative stress, and promote overall well-being. The oil is a true gift from nature, offering a multitude of benefits for both health and beauty. Pomegranate seed oil is a symphony of wellness, offering a harmonious blend of health benefits that can transform your body from the inside out. This oil, derived from the seeds of the pomegranate fruit, is rich in essential nutrients and bioactive compounds that work together to promote overall health and vitality. Let's explore the remarkable ways this oil can enhance your overall well-being. From its potent antioxidant properties to its ability to support cardiovascular health, pomegranate seed oil is a true powerhouse in the world of natural health remedies. First, it is a potent antioxidant powerhouse, rivaling green tea and red wine in its free radical-fighting abilities. Antioxidants are crucial for maintaining the health of our cells and protecting them from oxidative stress. Antioxidants are essential for protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that contribute to aging, inflammation, and chronic diseases. By neutralizing these harmful molecules, pomegranate seed oil helps to maintain cellular integrity and prevent premature aging. Second, its anti-inflammatory action is quite impressive. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health issues. Chronic inflammation is a silent threat, underlying many health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and cancer. By reducing inflammation, pomegranate seed oil can help to alleviate symptoms and improve overall health. Pomegranate seed oil, with its high concentration of punicic acid, possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. This unique fatty acid helps to reduce inflammation at the cellular level, providing relief from pain and swelling. It helps to soothe inflammation throughout the body, reducing pain, swelling, and discomfort. Whether applied topically or taken internally, pomegranate seed oil can be a valuable tool in managing chronic inflammatory conditions. Third, it offers cardiovascular support. A healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life, and pomegranate seed oil can play a significant role in maintaining cardiovascular health. A healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life. Pomegranate seed oil contains compounds that help to improve blood flow, reduce blood pressure, and lower levels of LDL cholesterol, which is often referred to as bad cholesterol. Pomegranate seed oil can be your heart's best friend, helping to improve cardiovascular health in several ways. Regular use of this oil can contribute to better heart function and overall cardiovascular wellness. It supports healthy blood pressure, improves blood flow, and may even help reduce LDL or bad cholesterol levels. These benefits make pomegranate seed oil an excellent addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Lastly, it aids in cellular regeneration. Our bodies are in a constant state of renewal, with old cells being replaced by new ones. This process is vital for maintaining the health and function of our tissues and organs. Our bodies are in a constant state of renewal, with old cells being replaced by new ones. Pomegranate seed oil supports this process of cellular regeneration, helping to keep our tissues and organs healthy and functioning optimally. Pomegranate seed oil supports this process of cellular regeneration, helping to keep our tissues and organs healthy and functioning optimally. This is especially important as we age, when cellular regeneration naturally slows down. By incorporating pomegranate seed oil into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural renewal processes and enjoy a healthier, more vibrant life. Overall health and appearance of your skin. Section 5. Hair benefits, nourishing your crowning glory. Our hair is often called our crowning glory, and for good reason. Luscious, healthy hair can boost our confidence and enhance our natural beauty. Pomegranate seed oil can help you achieve the hair of your dreams, nourishing it from root to tip. 1. Strength and resilience. Brittle, breakage-prone hair is a common concern. Pomegranate seed oil strengthens hair strands from within, making them more resistant to breakage and damage. It also helps to protect hair from environmental stressors like heat styling and pollution. 2. Shine and luster. Dull, lifeless hair can be frustrating. Pomegranate seed oil adds a natural shine and luster to hair, making it look healthy and vibrant. It smooths down the hair cuticles, reflecting light more effectively and giving your hair a radiant glow. 3. Scalp Soother. A healthy scalp is essential for healthy hair growth. Pomegranate seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties help to soothe an itchy, irritated scalp. It also helps to regulate oil production, preventing dandruff and flakiness. Imagine adding a burst of health and flavor to your meals. Pomegranate seed oil, with its rich, nutty taste, can transform your dishes into gourmet delights. It's a simple way to infuse your diet with antioxidants and essential fatty acids. So why not give your salads, smoothies, or even your morning toast a nutritious upgrade? My journey with pomegranate seed oil began a few years ago. I was looking for a natural way to boost my overall well-being. After some research, I discovered the incredible benefits of this oil. From improving my skin's appearance to adding a healthy glow, it has been a game changer. And the best part, it's all natural and easy to incorporate into my daily routine. When it comes to selecting pomegranate seed oil, quality matters. Look for cold-pressed organic options to ensure you're getting the purest form. This method preserves the oil's potent nutrients and maximizes its benefits. Remember, the finest pomegranate seed oil will have a deep golden hue and a slightly fruity aroma. Trust me, your body will thank you for choosing the best. Embracing the power of pomegranate seed oil can truly transform your life. Whether you're looking to enhance your beauty routine, boost your health, or simply enjoy a new flavor, this oil has something to offer. So, take the leap and experience the wonders of pomegranate seed oil for yourself. Your journey to a healthier, more vibrant you starts here.